She is one of the low performing heifers of the class, and then on top of that, she's the flatter, frailer one that's still not as good enough structurally either. So we immediately ran her to the bottom with a 4-point cut, and that was the first thing we did. You get to the top 3 and you have a little bit more sort, but we honestly thought one was a higher performing heifer that had body, she had power. Yeah, okay, her hind leg isn't good enough, but which one is the best good enough hind-legged? You tell me. So that's why we started with 1. And then we kind of have a middle between 4 and 3. 4 is a little bit lower performing one, more moderate female, but she's more genuine, she offers more body, she has more shape, more power, better structure than 3. 3 is the high performing one of the class, but at the same time, she's the harder body, flat one that's too round about her hips and too straight in her shoulders. So therefore we place them 1, 4, 3, 2, it sets up 3.
Okay, so that class 2 is the Cull breeding ewes. The first thing you should do when you walk up to the class is evaluate your data, and pretty quickly it tells you that they're trying to make some high quality show sheep that have some power and look to them. It does also say that they want to eliminate the Q's and D's in the flump. So then you immediately look up and you see that one sheep is QQ and that poor sheep is DD. So that immediately told us that they wanted us to get rid of them. So initially we put those to the bottom, and you'll get 1 point for each of them, but when you look at the sheep, it doesn't give them much quality to represent the class. So we kept them at the bottom of our cull list. From there, then you see a sheep that's FF and RR, and then you go ahead and you look at the class, and she's a sheep that has some body, power, and feature, and isn't a bad beats the class in quality. So we started her with 20 points to her. From there, you kind of evaluate the class because data doesn't tell you much from there. You do want to prefer maybe a FD sheep just because their buck is SF and RQR, it should say, not RQ. Anyways, so from there we kind of evaluated them. We thought 3 was the next best one. She's a little body ewe that has some power and bone. So we put her second in our list with 13.